Sponsored by Jeans Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, the official dealership of Life in Alaska.
Hello everyone, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News, and I hope you had yourself a good weekend. The snow is just about over with. The latest radar is showing that. And as far as our photograph for tonight, a very interesting one sent in by Bill Brophy. We'll call it a look down the track. This is during the Open North American. You can see right there in this visor the track for the dogs going down. Nice shot, Bill. If you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. What's going on at the airport right now? 11 degrees for the high, currently 7 degrees, just cloudy skies. The snow has stopped. The low last night, 0. There's your record high and record low. Sunrise this morning was at 7:33. Sun will set this evening, 8:25, giving us 12 hours, 52 minutes of daylight. That's a gain of 7 more minutes from yesterday. And our satellite and radar, again, showing where all the moisture was at. You can see it spinning around the Anchorage Bowl. That's why I said yesterday they got about 6 inches today. They got 8 to 15 inches, so they're looking pretty good as far as the snowfall goes. And you can see all the snow moving across to the north of the Fairbanks area. That's why it doesn't look too promising for much more snow. As far as what's going on across the rest of the state, you can see across southeast Alaska, the rain and snow has moved back in over Ketchikan. Snow, of course, all day long around the Anchorage Bowl area. Also snowing up at Barrow, but up and down the west coast, things have cleared out, and temperatures are getting quite cool there, too. Lower 48 weather, again, another storm to talk about. This one is moving across the Central Plains. You don't see it on this map because this is basically reflecting what the temperatures are. But if you can look on the satellite and radar, you can see the storm system, again, working its way across the northeast, bringing more snow to those folks. Over the weekend, they had close to 15 inches of snow in parts of Missouri and right on down to Kansas and to also the Colorado area. Nothing really upstream to give them any more worries about what's coming on. Now, the wintry storm that is still continuing across will bring more snow across to places like Pittsburgh and Philadelphia before it moves out across the Atlantic Ocean, all being driven once again by that jet stream, really moving quite nicely from the west to the east, again splitting the country in half. To the north, cold, to the south, mainly showery and humid conditions there. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. For the northern sections, it looks this way. 1 to 3 inches of snow in Barrow tomorrow, 2 inches in Fort Yukon, and snow showers at Nome. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at cloudy skies with areas of snow at Fairbanks and Healy. Over southeast Alaska, again, looking at rain and snow at Juneau, partly cloudy skies in Ketchikan. To the southwest, it looks like partly cloudy skies at Bethel, snow for Cold Bay, and sunny skies in Kodiak. And over the south central sections, partly cloudy in Anchorage, sunny at Homer, but snow will continue in Valdez. It's a new week, which means it's time for more new kids to interview this weekend for our Kids Weather Watch. And tonight, we'll be talking with a young lady with a story about frigid temperatures she was in.
And this is my weather story. One time in Alaska, I went outside and I stayed outside at negative 50 for almost 3 hours. My fingers got really cold. Then I went inside for hot cocoa.
And we'll have more from the kids at Arctic Light Elementary tomorrow night when a young man shares his stormy drawing with us. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. 7 degrees below 0, lingering snow showers ending very slowly. Tomorrow's forecast will still have cloudy skies, maybe an inch of snow is possible too. And the extended forecast, as you can see here, temperatures warming up very nicely, looking to the low to mid 30s by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And daytime, overnight lows, I should say, also warming up to the single digits above 0, which is nice to see. So maybe we're looking at possibly the first signs of spring coming back to the interior, but we won't say that as of yet.